Hi everyone, I'm Savannah, and today Oliver and Olivia have joined me to make some kid-friendly and hopefully mom-approved treats for Mother's Day. With the holiday right around the corner, we wanted to get these guys in. And why don't you guys just start making something for me? Okay. Go, just get going. We have a little bit of everything. I saw the spread, and guys, I got just a little bit nervous because we have some sweets, we have some savory. You can see we have jelly beans and bacon bits and pickles, marshmallow spread, jelly, and guys, I'm just a little nervous because anything that Oliver and Olivia make, I get to taste test for you. Well, before we got out here, what did you say? You're gonna use a little bit of everything? Yeah. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. But I love how methodical you are. You're just a little bit messier, Oliver. I like your style. Yep. All right, keep going. I'm not afraid to eat anything you guys put on the sandwich. Are you doing? Besides everything. Yeah, besides everything. You can just grab it with your hands. I don't mind. Oh man. And I love these little dishes. Aren't these pretty, Olivia?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are these Le Creuset tapas dishes. I love how we have them right now with all the little items. Probably also great for small snacks. All right, what else do you need? Do you guys need anything else from the other side of the table? Ooh, jelly beans and bacon. You're gonna taste it? All right, well keep going. Oh, I like the pattern you made with your gummy worms. What, do you need something over here? Do you want the jelly? Do you want the marshmallow? All right, here we go. Marshmallow it up, girl. Oh my gosh, guys. And this is for me, but you guys are gonna make one for yourself too, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of snacks do you like making for your mom? Do you do any like breakfast in bed stuff on Mother's Day? Mm-hmm. Yeah, what do you make her?
Everything.
Everything? Like what you're making me today? Yeah. Yeah. Olivia, yours is beautiful, but just slightly terrifying. Oh my gosh, what else do you need? I noticed no one's using the pickles.
I'm using them.
Oh, you're gonna use them? All right, let's put this back. What else do you need? Pickles?
Sour cream, yeah. But I don't know where to put it.
It's not sour cream, it's marshmallow fluff. It's okay.
I don't know where to put it.
You could just slap it on top of the jelly. You gotta rub it in, kid. There you go. Oh my gosh. Are you gonna put anything on the other side of the bread? There's pineapples if you want pineapples. Ooh, guys, your creativity is. Let's do jelly.
Bacon.
Bacon. Bacon bits, even better.
Good.
I did volunteer for this segment, but now I'm getting a little nervous about everything that's going on the sandwiches, guys.
Yeah, I might use everything too.
You know, go for it.
I have two more things to use.
All right, let's hurry up.
Those two
You want these two? Okay, let's move them over. And then why don't we finish up our sandwiches so I can taste them?
I don't have the spoon.
All right, I'm bringing the spoon over to you. All right, are you guys almost done? I'm really excited to try these.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go. There you go. All right, perfect. Whoops. Let's try this. I'm glad I didn't get chocolate on me. All right, Oliver, I feel like your sandwich is probably closer to being done. So, Olivia, you finish yours up, okay?
I'll take the frosting.
Yep, frosting it is. And while you're doing that, I'm going to try Oliver's.
I still have enough time to make mine.
You do have enough time to make yours. All right, here we go. All right, wish me luck. Well, I got some pineapple and some pickle and a whole lot of good, guys. I like that dish, by the way. All right, my turn. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's close it up. Okay, yours is a little bit cleaner. Okay, I'm nervous. I feel it too. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. I'm talking with my mouth full. You're not supposed to do that, but I hope everyone has a great Mother's Day, and we'll see you again next time.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not too bad.